Good morning students. Today we are going to see about exercise number 3.5 part 2. In this exercise already we have completed first two sums. Today we are going to start from question number 3. Okay. Before that we should know some factorization identity. Factorization using identity. Okay. So factorization using identity. In your textbook, page number 103. The first identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square is identically equal to a plus b whole square. Okay. Then second one, a square minus 2ab plus b square is identically equal to a minus b whole square. Then third one, a square minus b square is identically equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then fourth one, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is identically equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Then next one, a cube plus b cube is identically equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Then sixth one, a cube minus b cube is identically equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Then the last one, seventh identity, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is identically equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca. Okay. So we are going to use these identities only. Okay. So first question, question number 3. Question number 3, first subdivision, 4x square plus 9y square plus 25z square plus 12xy plus 30yz plus 20xz. Okay. So this is the given sum. Okay. So first we should know that what identity we are going to use. That is very important. Okay. So the question, it is in the form of the fourth identity. Okay. So a square plus b square, this identity formula. Okay. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc is equal plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Okay. So like this we are going to use. So that means this is our a square. Okay. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay. That means a plus b plus c, it's multiply with again a plus b plus c. Okay. So here we want to make it as a square, 4x square. So 4x square means 4x we can write as 2x whole square plus 9y square, 9y square. So we can make it as a whole square, that is 3y. 9 is the square of 3. Okay, so 3y whole square plus 25z square. So that is equal to 5z whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y. Okay, then plus 2ab. Here a is the value of, this is a value, this is b value, and this is c value. Okay, so 2ab is equal to 2 into 2x into 3y. Then next term 2bc, 2b is equal to 3y and c is equal to 5z. Okay, then plus 2ca, 2c is equal to 5z, then a is equal to 2x. Just you can check it once. If you get 2 into 2x, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into xy, 12xy. Okay, so then next one, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30. So 30yz. Then next one, 2 5s are 10, 10 into 2, 20, 20 into zx, so 20xz. Okay, so it can be written as the form of a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, so a plus b plus c whole square. What is our a? A is equal to 2x. What is our b? B is equal to 3y. Then what is our c? 5z. Okay, so the whole square. Okay, so we can make it as a factorization. Factorization is nothing but it is a reverse of multiplication. Okay, va? Then next, second subdivision. This also same way, 25x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 20xy plus 12yz minus 30xz. Okay, va? So 25x square, it can be written as 5x whole square, then 4 is a square of 2, okay, 2 square is 4, so 2y whole square, then plus 9y, 9z square, 9 means 3z whole square. Okay, see here in the previous sum all the terms are positive, but here we have a 2 negative terms, so 20 minus 20xy and minus 30xz. Okay, so that means we are going to choose any two variable must be negative. So here minus xy, here minus xz. Okay, va? So that means the common variable is x, omit that. So you can take it as y and z should be negative. So you can write as here minus 2y, here minus 3z. Okay, then only we can get the correct format. Okay, so what do you get? So we have to make it the 20xy, it is in the form of 2ab. So you can write as 2, what is our a? 5. Okay, so 5x, and what is our b? Minus 2y, minus 2y. So if you multiply, what do you get? 2 5s are 10, 10 into 2, 20, plus into minus, minus. So minus 20xy. Then next, the same way, 2 bc. Here b is equal to minus 2y, minus 2y, and c is equal to minus 3z. Okay, so here we have a 2 negative terms, that means minus into minus it will be converted into plus. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so 12yz. Then next one, plus 2ca, 2c is equal to minus 3z and a is equal to 5x. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, so minus 30xz. So it can be written as what? A plus b plus c whole square. So a plus b plus c, what is our a? 5x. What is our b? Minus 2y. What is our C? Minus 3z whole square. Okay. This method also we can use. Otherwise, you can take it as x terms alone negative term. ஓகேவா, இந்த மெத்தடில் நம்ம ரெண்டு எலமெண்ட்ஸை நெகட்டிவாகவும் எடுக்கலாம். இல்லை அப்படின்னா ஒன்லி எக்ஸ் டேர்ம்ஸை மட்டும் நெகட்டிவாக எடுத்தாலும் உனக்கு இதே ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் வரும். அப்போ இதுக்கு ஆன்சர்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, ஆர் யூ கேன் யூஸ் அஸ் minus 5x plus 2y plus 3z whole square. இந்த இதில் நம்ம வெறும் எக்ஸ் இருக்க இடத்துல மட்டும் நம்ம நெகட்டிவ் அப்ளை பண்ணாலும் we will get the same answer. ஓகேவா. Then next question number 4. Question number 4, first one, 8x cube plus 125y cube, 8x cube plus 125y cube. Okay, so it can be written as 8 is the, here we have a cubic formula. Okay, so x cube plus y cube, so we can use as a cube plus b cube formula. So 8 it can be written as written in the form of cube, means it is 2x the whole cube, 2x whole cube plus 5y whole cube. Okay, so it is a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube. The formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 5y. So we can write as a plus b means 2x plus 5y and a square means 2x whole square minus ab, a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 5y, then plus b square is nothing but 5y, so 5y whole square. Okay, then that is equal to 2x plus 5y, 2x whole square, that is 2 square 4, x square, x power 2, it is x square, then minus 2 5s are 10, x into y, xy, then plus 5 square is 25, so 25y square. This is your answer. Okay, then fourth question, second subdivision. x cube minus 8y cube, 27x cube minus 8y cube. Here we have a negative symbol in between the two terms. Okay, so it can be written in the form of a cube minus b cube is equal to, we know that a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so we can make it as 27 is the cube of 3, so 3x whole cube minus 2y whole cube. Okay, so here this is the a value and this is the b value. Okay, so it can be written as a minus b, that is 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y into 3x whole square plus ab means 3x into 2y, then plus b square is 2y, so 2y the whole square. Okay, so this is equal to 3x minus 2y, 3x whole square, that is 3 3s are 9. Okay, so 9x square, then plus 3x into 2y, 3 2s are 6, 6xy, then plus 2y whole square. 2y whole square is 4y square. Okay, this is your answer. Then next is subdivision. Third subdivision, this is a power 6 minus 64. Okay, this is little bit difficult. Okay, so just you can watch clearly. It can be written as, here we have a square a power, sorry, it's a power is 6. Okay, so directly we don't have a formula for power 6. Okay, so we have to make it as a cube or square. Okay, then only it will be converted into 6. Okay, so a power 6 minus 64. 64 is the, so listen, 64 you can factorize 2, 32, then again it will be divisible by 2, 16, 2, 8, again 2, 4, again 2, 2, then 2, 1. So 2 power 6 is equal to 64. Okay, so we can write as that a power 6 is equal to a square whole cube. A square whole cube. 2 3s are 6. Okay, so we don't have a direct formula for power 6. So that only we are make it as a square whole cube. So like this 2 power 6 also you have to make it 2 square then whole cube. Already we know that a cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, see here we have a here also we have a square and the inside also we have a square. For our convenient I can take that a square is equal to x and 2 square is equal to y. At last we can change the values. Okay, see, so what do you get? A square means here a square is equal to x, so x minus y. Okay, then a square that is the formula is, so here a square is equal to x, so x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, see here it is a square, a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. I can take it as a square is equal to x. Okay va, so the a square term and 2 square term x y nu eduthirkom. So appo the x cube minus y cube, x cube minus y cube na indha mari varum formula. Okay, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, so here this term, okay, for this term x square plus xy plus y square, for this there is no factorization identity. Okay, so we have to make it as, if we have here 2xy means, if you have 2xy it will be converted into a plus b whole square formula. So that I can take it as x minus y, I am going to add plus xy and minus xy. Okay, so x square plus xy plus one more plus xy and minus xy, then plus y square. Okay, because there is no identity for the previous step. Okay, there for that only I can add plus xy and minus xy, then x minus y x square. Now we have a 2xy. Okay, so plus 2xy then plus y square then minus xy. Okay, so the next step, x minus y, we know that this is the form of a plus b plus c, the a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this can be written as x plus y whole square minus xy. Okay, so now you can apply here. X is what? a square. Then y is what? 2 square. Okay. Then here x is equal to a square plus 2 square, then minus here xy, that is a square into 2 square. Okay. Okay. So this is the form of a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So it can be written as a square minus b square. Here b square is 2 square. Okay. So how can you written? A plus 2 into a minus 2. Okay. Then this term here we have a whole square. Okay. So it can be written as again a square plus 4 whole square minus here a square 2 square. So you can make it as 2a whole square. 2a whole square. So a plus 2 into a minus 2. Then here this is a square, then this is b square. Okay. So again you can use it a plus b into a minus b. That means you will get a square plus 4 plus 2a and another term a square plus 4 minus 2a. Okay. So it can be written as a plus 2, a minus 2, and I can write in the order a square plus 2a plus 4 and a square minus 2a plus 4. Okay. This is your answer. Then last question, question number 5. First subdivision, x cube plus 8y cube plus 6xy minus 1. Okay. So this equation, this polynomial, it's a form of that seventh one. Okay. That is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, because we have 4 terms and cube terms. Okay. So it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ac. Okay. So first we have to make it as a whole cube. Okay. See here, x cube is written as x whole cube, then 8y cube is nothing but 2y whole cube, then we have a c cube term. Okay. So c cube term is nothing but minus 1. So how can be written as? It is minus 1 whole cube, then only you will get minus 1. Okay. Then next minus 3, a is equal to x, and b is equal to 2y and c is equal to minus 1. Okay. So it can be written as, the right hand side is what? A plus b plus c. Here this is a value and this is b value and this is our c. Okay. So you can written as a plus b plus c, that is x plus 2y minus 1 into a square. A square is nothing but x square plus b square. B square is equal to 2y. Okay, so 2y whole square, then plus c is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 whole square, then minus a is equal to x and b is equal to 2y, then minus bc, b is equal to 2y and c is equal to minus 1, then again minus ac, a is equal to x and c is equal to minus 1. It can be written as x plus 2y minus 1, then x whole square is nothing but x square, then 2y whole square is nothing but 4y square. 2 square means you will get 4. So 4y square, then minus 1 whole square. If you add, if you multiply minus 1 into minus 1, it will be convert into plus 1. Okay. So then minus 2xy, then minus into minus plus. Okay. So minus 1 into minus here plus 2y, then here also the same way, minus into minus plus. So it is written as x. This is your answer. Then second subdivision, the question is L cube minus 8m cube minus 27 n cube minus 18 L m n. Okay, the same identity here also we are going to use. Okay, so you can written as L cube. L cube means L whole cube, then minus 8m. Minus 8m means you can written as plus minus 2m whole cube, because plus into minus minus. If you multiply the negative terms 3 times means you will get the negative. Okay, then plus minus 27. So it can be written as minus 3n whole cube. Okay, then the formula is minus 3abc. So you can write minus 3, a is equal to L and b is equal to minus 2m and c is equal to minus 3n. Okay, if you multiply you will get the 18 Lmn. Once again you can check it. Here 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Here we have a 3 negative symbol, so it will convert into negative and Lmn. So you will get minus 18 Lmn. So the formula is a plus b plus c. So L minus 2m minus 3n, then next one L square, that is a square is L square, then b square is equal to minus 2m whole square, then plus c square is minus 3n whole square, then minus ab, minus a is equal to L, and b is equal to minus 2m, then minus bc, b is equal to minus 2m and minus 3n, then minus ca, c is equal to minus 3n and a is equal to L. When you are writing the terms, just be careful because we have a negative symbols, so it will be doing some mistakes. So L minus 2m minus 3n, then this is written as L square, then minus 2m whole square, that is minus 2 into minus 2 you will get 4 plus 4m square, then minus 3n it is converted into positive, so 9n square, then minus into minus plus, so 2lm. Okay, then here we have a 3 negative, so it will convert into negative, so 2 3s are 6, so 6mn, then minus into minus plus 3nl. Okay, that's all. Your 3.5 exercise over. Okay, thank you students.